What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have the thing in front of me, the monthly knife club box I wait for every month. They've never disappointed me, and I hope they don't this month because I need it. Anyway, normally this is my second to last video of the month, but they came a little late, and this will be my last video of the month. But let's get into it because I'm super excited. Already cut the tape. I didn't peek yet, but I'm trying to reach in and get the card. Let's just get the card first. All right, luckily it was on top. Okay, so what do we got this month? Sticker. I love their stickers. Pretty cool. Gratis. I think that's Latin for free. The Gerber Shard DT. Okay, it's got a cross driver, package opener, bottle opener, blah blah blah. Keychain loop. That seems cool. I think I know what that is. $10.95 value. We have a Rothko 80mm locking carabiner. High strength aluminum. I don't use carabiners, so I'll give that to somebody. More Gerber stuff. Gerber armbar slim drive. So it's got a blade, bit drive. Oh, cool, bit driver. Bottle opener, ultra slim, blah, blah, blah. $45 value. Okay, I'll be the judge of that. We'll look it up after. Okay, there we go. The Civivi Sentinel Stike. Is it Stike or Steak? I think it's Stike. High carbon steel, drop point blade. Wow. Red, black, aluminum, FRN handle. Yeah, I don't like FRN. You guys know that. Reverse Tonto, ceramic bearing pivot, button lock, tip up carry. 65 to 100 bucks. Why is it FRN though? Anyway, I'm not gonna get mad at it yet. We'll see what it is. And then we get the Kubi Steedle. Because I figured Steedle because it's spelled like beetle, right? Steel, whatever. That word. M390 stainless steel, titanium handle, 2.26 ounces, very light. Case ceramic bearing pivot, frame lock, value 184 to 230. Okay, let's get into this thing. I'm excited. I'm not excited about the Civivi yet. I hope I do get excited because I don't know. We'll see. I'm not gonna have bad thoughts right now, but let's go in order. And here's the sticker. Oh, dude, that's cool. That's cool. It's a Viking. I like Viking stuff. I'm not a Viking by bloodline. I'm all mixed up and whatever, but I like to listen to Viking music and stuff. It inspires me. Anyway, got this cool, like, reflective, like, Viking sticker. That'll go on a board or something. What else we got? Where's this carabiner? Okay, this is, wait a minute. There's a thing, right? Okay. So I got a carabiner. Yeah, that's a filler, dude. Well, I mean, if you like carabiners, I guess it's nice. It's got a screw lock on it. Yeah, that's not impressive. That's kind of, can I even open it? You know what? Yeah, we're not going to mess with that. It's a carabiner. Who cares? What's next? Is this, okay, so here's a Gerber Shard. You know what? I do know this guy. I think I got this in another box way long time ago, but neat little thing. It's got a little driver on it, little pry bar, bottle opener, kind of cool. You can put it on your keychain, kind of neat. I'll give this to someone who can use it because I definitely have one somewhere. So, but it's got mountains and valleys and stuff. That's kind of neat. Anyway, not important. And here I want to see this guy. Okay, there's a Gerber arm bar drive, slim drive. That's a $45 value according to what the card says. Let's get, you know what? I'm actually going to open this up. Let me see what can I open it with. Let's do it off camera so in case I cut my finger off, you guys don't see it. I hate bubble things. You know what? I got it. I think I got it. Or dang, these packages are super child-proof or something. There we go. I found where I'm supposed to cut. Sorry, I'm wrecking the packaging, so if I do use this as a giveaway, you're getting it, like, without the packaging. Forgive me. But I think I'll keep this one, though, because I do need a multi-tool, something smaller. The other day at work, someone was looking for a driver, and I normally have my little, I can't find it right now, but I have my little Olight bit driver thing, and I didn't have it that day, and I felt like a jerk. And plus, it was for a knife, so I was like, hey, they were like, hey, knife guy, you know, where's your driver at? And I was like, oh, shit. Anyway, I'm really struggling here in case you guys didn't, think I was just joking around. There we go. Let's take a look. Okay, that's pretty cool. So yeah, this little Gerber deal, pretty neat. Let's look at the blade real quick. Let's do plain edge blade. Nice little blade on there. See, locks. It's actually got a little, little lock on there. A little. What else we got? So yeah, here's the driver. Oh, that's cool. I like that. So it's got a reversible driver, Phillips, flathead. Pretty freaking cool, dude. I like it. And I guess you could put it on a keychain, but it's kind of big. There's no clip on it, is there? Unless that's no clip. So I guess it's something you're going to attach to your bag or whatever. I don't know. Pretty neat, though. I'm not mad at it. Actually, let's use this little blade to open the knives. Why am I not focusing? There we go. Anyway, let's see. Let's get the Civivi out here, okay? FRN handle, guys. You know how I feel about FRN. I'd say it's a cuss word right now, but I'm trying to keep it family friendly. But Civivi is a good brand, so maybe they did it right. Maybe I won't be mad at them. And typical Civivi packaging. You got your box, get your little carry pouch, a little rag, get another sticker. I have a bunch of Civivi stickers. I don't have this one, though. That's pretty neat. And okay, oh, okay, so it looks like it's FRN and aluminum, so I'm not mad anymore. I'm happy. Let's check this guy out. Okay, that thing is light, but it's a big boy too, so you know how I have the big dumb hands. It says K110 carbon steel drop point blade, red, black, aluminum. Duh, I didn't read that part. FRN handle, reverse tonto, ceramic bearing pivot, button lock. Let's pop her open. I might get this crap out of here. Ooh. It's got a nice, it's a plunge lock. Civivi's like famous for plunge locks. Okay. Flipper. Interesting. The action is not super great. It's getting better though. And it is actually pretty big, so I can still do a reverse flip. They're calling it reverse tonneau. And I guess you can, yeah, it's more of a, it's like a drop point reverse tonneau hybrid thing. Got a nice finger, little finger holes there. Got some air conditioning for it. Full backspace. This FRN is fine. If I would have read the whole thing. It's got a freaking, it's got a freaking window breaker on it. Can we see that? There. It's got a window breaker. I hate window breakers, but it's there. It's whatever. Check the ergos. Pretty good. Nice and solid. Civivi, they do their things right. Very lightweight. Very cool. Cool looking, especially. I mean, not anything. The button lock is what it is. I don't like, I don't like plunge locks, but when you're opening it, it kind of, if you swing your finger down like this, it's got a little ledge on the FRN. Kind of, if you have a fingernail, might clip on there, but no biggie. See if I can reverse flick. Oh yeah, reverse flick actually works better without the studs. If you're using the studs, it's kind of tight and it's kind of hard to reach, kind of awkward. Even with my big stupid hands. Maybe that's why, because I have big stupid hands. All right, not bad. Choke up on it. Yeah, very lightweight. Cool little knife though. Let's get all this crap out of here. Very cool. But let's get to the main event. Let's skip all the BS and let's go to the Kubi. Another light knife. When I picked up the box, honestly, I was like, I thought they forgot something because it was very light, but now I know why, because I guess maybe that's a theme, lightweight this month. But let's get the Kubi out. This is going to be nice, I hope. It should be right. It's cool. Okay, yeah. I'm not sure if I've ever seen this. I mean, I'm sure people have done videos on it before. But, yeah. Oh, it's one of these boxes that kick my ass every time. Sorry. If I only had a pry bar. Just kidding. I do have one. But I'm going to give it to somebody. Oh, my God. Look at this. I should have looked at the dimensions. Did they even show it? Now I know why it's 2.26 ounces. What the crap is this? Are you freaking crapping me? I want to see shitting me, so I will. They must have not seen my videos. Holy crap, dude. Look at this thing. This is the smallest knife I own currently now. All right, sorry. Let's go through the Kubi stuff. Got a nice Kubi rag. Oh, man. This is a $200 freaking knife, huh? I'm not disappointed. I'm just mad. Oh, God. You know what's funny? I mean, there we go. Look at this thing. This is freaking nuts. Oh, this is like a little I can't even, there's nowhere to choke up. Is this a knife for ants? What is going on? All right. I'm going to be positive right now. Let's look at the build quality. Let's look at all this stuff, okay? It does have good action if you can get your freaking hand under the... Oh my God, dude. You got to have really small hands to enjoy this knife. This is going to go... If any of you guys out there are like 4 foot tall, I'll send this to you. This is crazy. Oh, man. Like I said, I'm not trying to act like I'm disappointed, but I am. This is... Who the hell would carry this? I mean, I don't mind small knives, but let's see. They don't have, there's no specs on it, but I'm saying that's... Look at that thing. Let's get the smallest, that gent's knife I had this small. Let me find out real quick. I need to do a comparison so you guys can really see how freaking small this thing is. Remember that little guy I had earlier I said was too small for me? Look at that. Are you freaking kidding me? What the heck? So, my overall thoughts on this monthly knife box. You did me right, guys, with the Civivi. That's my speed right there. Sorry about the cut on my finger. I'm working hard today. Oh, yeah, that's real nice. So I'm not mad at you guys for this. The Gerber's pretty sweet. The Carabiner could kiss my butt. The what else did they give me? I forgot. That little pry bar from Gerber. It's whatever. But in general, for first time ever, I'm gonna have to say I am disappointed with a monthly knife club box, like for sure. Just because my high-end knife came in and it's this guy. It's a cool knife. It's very, I mean, if this thing, it looks like it was shrunk, like Honey, I Shrunk the Kids style. What the hell? But anyway, so you guys get to hear my, okay. It's not, like I said, the action snappy. I'm trying to look at the positives here. Can I reverse flick? Oh, actually, you know what? That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Hold on. A reverse flick's dope. I mean, just really cool. But even when I'm choked up on this thing, it's like, what the hell? I might come to love this thing. Who knows? Because you can actually look on the blade there. Let's look at the blade. It's a nice little blade, but big jimps. It's like, I don't know what they're doing here. Because even when I get it's definitely a three finger knife, and you can get up on it, like right there. So if you want something that's very, very discreet and high end, this is for you. Or if you have like I don't know, really small Oompa Loompa hands or something. But I mean, the build quality is amazing. It's beautiful. But if it was like double the size, I'd be happy as hell right now. Kind of weird. Anyway, I might talk about this later more. But wow. I'm not mad at you, Monthly Knife Club. I know you do your best. But this one here, I mean, I'm trying really hard here, guys. Okay, so if I do get... It's okay if I hold it like this, but I don't hold knives like this. And I can't think of anybody with adult hands that would be comfortable with this. It's kind of crazy. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Leave comments. Tell me what you think of this knife in this box, because as of right now, I am pretty disappointed. Not overly disappointed. Do I still think it's worth it? Yeah, because I mean, the price points and everything. The Civivi is dope. I'm loving the Civivi. And I thought this was going to be the disappointment. But the Civivi is dope. Digging it. The action could be a little better, but I'll break it in. Maybe oil it up. It's supposed to be on ceramic, though, so maybe not. Yeah, action's pretty good on it. This is like polar opposites. I mean, why would you send a big-ass freaking knife and this tiny guy together and think it was going to be okay? Anyway, I might email him real quick, but I don't know. I'm not going to bitch and moan. It is a gamble, so sometimes you're going to get something you don't care for. And, hey, other people might fall in love with this thing, think it's the coolest thing ever, but maybe I will too eventually, but it's so tiny. It's so tiny. Even with average size hands, I mean, that's just so tiny. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. My veteran brothers and sisters, thank you, and all my active duty folks out there, be careful, be safe. I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully with a bigger knife. Bye now.